So you want to take your shooting skills from this to this. And for that, you have to do three things. Three things: holding your gun properly, aiming it properly, and trigger skills, pulling the trigger. So just for the safety check, the gun is totally empty, nothing in the mag well, nothing inside. So the key of holding, give a gun proper hold. That matters a lot. If the base is strong, the building will be strong. Most of the people who hold the gun, it's just not the right way. I also learned very hard way. It's about matter of holding. Why holding? It's all about the recoil management. If you manage your recoil good, you're able to shoot well, and you're able to shoot to the target. Most people, when they hold the gun right here. This is what I used to do. Hold the gun right here. And then it gives my finger the full freedom of pulling the trigger. You don't want that. What you need to do is use your hand as a wall. So this should be the hold place, right in the middle. This part should be where you're holding. So give your gun a support of a wall. So use this hand as a wall behind your gun, and use your arm as a support behind that wall. When you do this, your thumb is automatically up, which means there's no space right here. And your finger, you can only give a soft pull. In the trigger management, you're using this knuckle. We're not using this knuckle. As soon as we use this knuckle, so what's going to happen is it's going to move. The gun's going to move like this. If you just do a soft pull, you don't see any. It's not moving this way. So it's all about this, not this. As soon as you start doing this, you're hitting 7 o'clock. Soft pull, that's all you need. And holding the right way. Give your gun a support and then shoot right. Thank you.